Greetings, Mark Brown here. We're going to be looking at how we can actually download a free app right here in this Microsoft Store here. Right, if you notice, you come to the left, you notice this is home screen. Right here, the apps, we're going to click on word apps. And when you click on word apps, we're going to actually scroll down. Right here, scroll down. All right, let me scroll up some more. Right here. So these are some free apps. Right here. So in order for me to get it in my computer, I'm going to click it. You notice that soon as I click it, this is what come up to the left. You notice it says get. So I'm going to click on the word get. So when I click on the word get, you notice right there, show that it actually starting to download. And this is exactly how it actually started to download. But if you notice up here, give a look at display. I notice it's Adobe Express. So can I give you a look at display and how it actually look like and how you're going to actually do it. Notice right here, show us actually downloaded so far. Right, I notice right here is a create beautiful graphics like web page and video and all of that right here. If you notice, it shows that it's actually installing. So notice it's open. So I'm going to minimize this so far. But if you notice, if you look right here on my desktop, notice here I haven't seen it. So what you want to do is to come right here, startup menu. You click on the startup menu. And notice this is set. Is it? So what if you want to click on the desktop? Right? What you wanted to do is to right click on it. Right, if you notice right click, you notice a pin to start. All right, here so you can move it completely. All right, so if you notice right here, you can put it to the taskbar and click it like that. You notice it appear right here so on the taskbar. All right, so this is one of the way you can actually download from this Microsoft Store. So hope you have learned something from this video. So remember to share it with your friend. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.